Capital One has been demonstrating remarkable financial strength in recent quarters. This, coupled with promising economic indicators, makes it an opportune time to consider investing. The company's strong performance is rooted in several factors, making it a compelling case for potential investors. Capital One's strategic decisions and market positioning have allowed it to capitalize on emerging opportunities. As we navigate through a period of economic uncertainty, Capital One stands out as a beacon of stability. Investors are increasingly seeking reliable and profitable avenues for their capital. Capital One, with its consistent track record and future-oriented approach, ticks all the right boxes. The company's commitment to innovation and customer centricity has been instrumental in solidifying its market presence. Capital One's recent performance is not just a flash in the pan. It's a testament to the company's robust business model and its adaptability to changing market dynamics. This underlying strength positions Capital One for sustained growth, making it an attractive prospect for long-term investors. The company's strategic acquisitions and partnerships have further diversified its portfolio, bolstering its resilience against economic downturns. Capital One's focus on risk management has been particularly noteworthy. By carefully assessing and mitigating potential risks, the company has been able to maintain a strong financial footing. This proactive approach to risk management is a key factor behind Capital One's consistent profitability. In an unpredictable global landscape, Capital One's ability to navigate challenges effectively underscores its investment appeal. Delinquency rates. The proportion of loans where borrowers fall behind on repayments are crucial indicators of a financial institution's health. A decline in these rates, as observed in Capital One's recent performance, signals positive momentum. This trend points towards a healthier loan portfolio and potentially lower future losses. This decline in delinquency rates is particularly encouraging considering the current macroeconomic headwinds. Lower delinquency rates translate into a more robust bottom line for Capital One. With fewer funds set aside to cover potential loan defaults, the company can reinvest its earnings for future growth. This financial flexibility allows Capital One to explore new markets, enhance its product offerings, and further solidify its competitive edge. This positive development is not solely attributable to internal factors. Broader economic trends have also played a role. As the economy recovers from the aftershocks of the pandemic, consumers are demonstrating more financial discipline. This shift is reflected in the declining delinquency rates across the financial sector, with Capital One emerging as a frontrunner. This positive trend is indicative of a more stable and predictable economic environment, which bodes well for financial institutions like Capital One. The declining delinquency rates also signal increasing consumer confidence. As consumers feel more secure in their financial standing, they are more likely to meet their debt obligations on time. This positive consumer sentiment has a ripple effect throughout the economy, contributing to overall financial stability. For Capital One, this translates to a more sustainable and profitable business model. The global economy is slowly but steadily recovering from the impact of the pandemic. While challenges remain, the overall outlook is more optimistic than it was a year ago. This positive shift is creating tailwinds for financial institutions like Capital One, which are well positioned to capitalize on the upturn. Interest rates, though still low by historical standards, are on an upward trajectory. This gradual rise in interest rates translates into wider profit margins for lenders like Capital One. As rates increase, the interest earned on loans outpaces the interest paid on deposits, boosting profitability. This favorable macroeconomic environment allows Capital One to generate higher returns for its investors. Furthermore, the job market has shown remarkable resilience, with unemployment rates steadily declining. Increased employment leads to greater consumer confidence and spending power, which ultimately benefits financial institutions. This virtuous cycle creates a positive feedback loop, further strengthening Capital One's financial standing. The company's strategic focus on digital banking and innovation has also positioned it well to capitalize on changing consumer behavior. The pandemic accelerated the shift towards digital banking, and Capital One was quick to adapt. By investing heavily in its online and mobile platforms, the company has been able to attract and retain customers seeking seamless and convenient banking experiences. This forward-looking approach has cemented Capital One's position as a leader in the digital banking space. Section 4. Historical context, a story of growth and prudence. Looking back at Capital One's journey, a clear pattern emerges, one of calculated risk-taking and a commitment to innovation. From its early days as a credit card issuer, the company has consistently pushed boundaries and embraced new technologies. This entrepreneurial spirit has been a key driver of Capital One's growth and success. Throughout its history, Capital One has successfully navigated numerous economic cycles. The company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions and anticipate future trends has been instrumental in its resilience. This adaptability has instilled confidence in investors, who view Capital One as a reliable long-term investment. Capital One's historical performance also highlights its commitment to risk management. The company has a proven track record of carefully assessing and mitigating risks, which has been crucial in safeguarding its profitability. This prudent approach to risk management has allowed Capital One to weather economic storms and emerge stronger. This focus on maintaining a healthy balance sheet has been key to building investor trust and confidence. Capital One's historical performance is not just a testament to its past successes, it's a roadmap for future growth. The company's commitment to innovation, customer centricity, and sound risk management principles provides a solid foundation for continued success. Capital One's story is far from over. As the company continues to evolve and adapt to the ever-changing financial landscape, it remains a compelling investment opportunity for those seeking long-term growth and stability. Section 5. Investment Recommendation, Capital One's Ascent. Based on the aforementioned analysis, the outlook for Capital One is undeniably positive. The company is firing on all cylinders. Its financial performance is robust, delinquency rates are declining, and it is well positioned to benefit from the improving macroeconomic environment. This confluence of positive factors makes Capital One an attractive investment opportunity for both short-term and long-term investors. The company's strong fundamentals provide a solid basis for future growth. Investors seeking exposure to the financial sector should seriously consider adding Capital One to their portfolios. The company's consistent profitability, coupled with its potential for further growth, makes it a compelling choice in the current market landscape. Capital One's commitment to returning value to its shareholders through dividends and share buybacks further enhances its investment appeal. Capital One is not just riding the wave of economic recovery, it is actively shaping its future. The company's strategic investments in technology, innovation, and customer experience are creating a formidable moat around its business. This forward-looking approach ensures that Capital One remains at the forefront of the financial services industry, solidifying its long-term growth potential. In conclusion, Capital One is a company on the ascent. Its strong financial performance, declining delinquency rates, and favorable macroeconomic outlook all point towards a bright future. Investors would be wise to seize this opportunity and join Capital One on its journey of continued growth and success. The company's commitment to innovation and delivering exceptional customer experiences positions it well for continued market leadership.